Hello, I'm Greg with GL Robotics, and we're excited to have Sam Zhang from Mingda here today, and we're going to ask him a few questions about the Mingda printers and why you should get one. So welcome, Sam.
Hello, Greg. Yeah, I'm Sam Zhang. Yeah, from Mingda, Sweden. I have been in Mingda, Sweden for more than 2 years. I'm the sales manager. Today I'm very happy to be here.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Greg.
All right.
Okay.
Good to meet you. Glad to have you here. So, Sam, tell us why someone should buy a Mingda printer versus some of the other choices that they have.
Yeah, actually, Greg, our Mingda company's founded in the year of 2012. So now we have been over 13 years 3D printer manufacturers. Every year we upgrade. Upgrade our machines. Last year we launched our newest machine. MD4D, MD7D, MD1D. This is our newest machine. It is a clipper, 5 times faster machine.
Okay.
The machine also is a very high printing qualities.
That's one of the things I really like about Mingda is the innovation you have year after year. And this Magician series that we're currently providing the customers is really neat. Some of the features I really like about it is the direct drive. It enables you to print more difficult filaments like TPU. Can you tell us a little bit more about the extruder and the direct drive?
The machine was the direct extruder, so it can print the PLA, PTG, TPU, ABS. So it has a very high, strong extruder. And the machine also is very quiet.
Yes, I've noticed that. Another neat feature is we get a lot of calls because people have trouble leveling their printer. Great thing about the Magician series is that it has the auto leveling, and then you can do fine-tuning adjusting.
Before it is a manual leveling,
right?
It is automatic leveling.
It uses the nozzle to level it by touching the bed, right?
Yes.
But unlike some manufacturers that use like a strain gauge, this uses more of an electronic sensor, doesn't it, for the level?
We're using the smart sensor. To do the auto leveling jobs. So how to say the precision is very high.
And that's great because rather than some sort of mechanical feedback, using the electrical feedback is more reliable and it lasts a lot longer. You know, we've been talking about the Magician series, but Mingda has a whole line of industrial printers. Tell me a little bit about the 600D. We're excited.
Maybe we can start.
Okay.
So this is our MD7D. The printing size, it is 600 by 600 by 600 millimeter. It is a big size machine. The machine equipped with a clipper from well.
With clipper? Okay.
Clipper. It is fast printing.
Okay.
You can see the machine also is dual extruder.
Okay, dual extruder. Why is that important?
Dual extruder, that meaning another extruder, it can print the support material. Like this, you can see. So after printing this support, you can very easily to remove them. This is a breakaway support material.
What material is it?
This is ice multi.
Ice multi material?
Ice multi breakaway support material.
Okay.
So after print, actually you can very easily to remove this support material.
Okay. All right.
So for this MD7D, you can see large size, fast printing. Machine also has Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Wi-Fi, so you can connect with your mobile phone, your computer. You can remove it to control, right?
Which is actually what we did for this one. John, our chief technician, actually just started this from his computer out of his office.
The machine also here has a camera monitor.
Okay.
So you can use the office. You can monitor the printing process.
Nice.
All extruder is max temperature. It can reach 350 degrees at the hot bed. It can reach
350 Celsius?
And for the hot bed, it can reach 110 degrees.
110 on the bed.
So it can print the multi high performance engineering material like nylon glass fiber reinforced.
Like nylon and PET and
glass fiber.
ABS glass fiber? Wow.
Okay. So nylon. Nylon glass fiber.
Okay. So what is the advantage of glass fiber, I have to ask?
You can see, that means, this is 25 glass fiber. Reinforced with nylon.
Okay.
So this material is very high stress.
Oh, okay.
Stress. So it is used for the automotive parts, mechanical parts, some robots, some aerospace motorcycles.
Oh.
Yeah. Also, it's very quiet.
Yeah.
Very quiet printing.
Yeah.
You can
Yeah, we've had the doors open,
yeah,
but
close the door.
yeah.
Very quiet printing.
So-
So from here, we also can see what we are printing. Yeah, clipper.
Okay. Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I see my part.
Yeah, how many times already printed? How many times left?
So you have 3 sizes of these, right? You have
Yeah,
a
3 sizes.
400 millimeter.
The printing size, it is a 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter.
Mhm.
It is IDEX machine. That meaning it is independent to extruder.
IDEX machine, yeah.
So you can, IDEX machine that
Yeah.
can print the copy model.
So I can print 2 prints, as long as they're the same print
Yeah, you
at
can
the same time.
time.
Or I can print 2 colors, or I can print a part with supports.
Yeah.
On the
So
IDEX.
your production is more productive.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can speed up your printing.
Yes. And the print speed on these is around, depending on what you're printing, is around 300, 250 to 300.
300 millimeter per second.
Yes.
And even for this high performance engineer material, even it can reach 200 to 250 millimeter per second. Very
Yeah,
fast.
that is fast for
Very
engineering
fast.
materials and for something of this volume.
In our company, Mingda 3D, will release more and more new machines, more excellent machines to the market and to our clients.
Well, very good. Well, we're looking forward to expanding our partnership with Mingda.
Yeah, sure.
And certainly thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.